So what's the difference between a stiff starter and a liquid starter, or a normal starter that most people would use? Well, the stiff starter is fed twice the amount of flour. So for this feeding, making a liquid starter, we're going to use about half a cup of grains and that same half a cup of water. And that actually works out to be about 100 grams of grains and 120 grams of water. Why I want to use more than 100 grams of water is because the fresh milled flour absorbs about 17% more liquid than your bagged bread flour. So doing equal parts 1-to-1 truly is not the same. So here we go. Step 1, ear protection, and we're gonna just mill the grain into flour. I'm gonna use my Nutrimil Harvest. What we're looking for is that stones will start tapping again, making that higher pitched sound, and we're going to see a decrease in the flour coming out of the spout from the mill. This is more than half a cup of flour. So for our liquid starter, we're going to take that half a cup of water and add it to our jar, and then we can mix our starter or whatever remnants of starter we might have in the jar. Okay, just like so. And what you're gonna want to see is that the water turns cloudy. See how white and milky it is? That is what we're looking for. We want to make sure that we've got some good bacteria mixing in with the water, and that it's not just water and a hunk of sourdough starter somewhere. Get it mixed in. Okay? Then we can add our flour, which is going to be just about a cup of flour. Oh, this jar's a little narrower. Okay. So we've got our half a cup of grains and our half a cup of water. Now we're going to mix this up into a starter. This is what most people who get started with sourdough do. They feed equal parts starter, flour, and water. And if I were to do this with fresh milled flour, this is how I would do it. Okay? All the flour should be hydrated. And if we try to turn this upside down, it's going to come out. See how it's spilling out? Don't turn it upside down, we'll have a big mess. Okay? So a liquid starter, also known as 100% hydration because it's equal parts flour and water, this one will fall out if you turn it over, so this is a liquid starter. And this one, the stiff starter, will not come out when you turn it upside down. It has more of a dough consistency. What I've found is that this one, the stiff starter, is much more fun to work with. I haven't killed it in well over a year, but I figured why not give it a go at making a liquid starter, because this is fun to use for certain things like pancakes and waffles. You can still use a stiff starter for those things, but a lot of you want to know how to use this one too. So I will go through that in this series. All right, that's all for now. As with everything, it's always better when you just mill it.